Hey there, gamers!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down the latest tech so you can make informed decisions.
Today, we've got a budget gaming mouse that's been making waves,
The Trust GXT 110 Felox. Now, when it comes to budget gaming mice, we often expect less in terms of design and performance. But Trust is challenging that notion with the GXT 110 Felox.
Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. First up, let's talk design.
The GXT 110 Felox doesn't disappoint in this department.
It's sleek, angular, and surprisingly premium looking for its price point.
With its matte white finish and flared-out buttons, it's reminiscent of higher-end gaming mice.
Plus, it's available in two stylish colors, Booster Black and Winning White. But there's a catch for our left-handed gamers out there.
The GXT 110 Felox is designed specifically for right-handers, so if you're a southpaw, you might need to look elsewhere.
Now, let's talk performance.
The GXT 110 Felox may not have all the bells and whistles of its pricier counterparts, but it holds its own where it counts. With responsive buttons, smooth gliding, and a commendable battery life of up to 80 hours on a single charge, it's a reliable companion for both gaming and everyday use. However, it's worth noting that the mouse's performance isn't flawless.
While it tracks well in most situations, there were occasional hiccups during intense gaming sessions. Particularly in fast-paced games like Valorant and League of Legends. When it comes to customization, the GXT 110 Felox falls short. Unlike some other gaming mice, it lacks programmable macros and RGB customization options.
So, if you're someone who likes to fine-tune your setup, you might want to look elsewhere.
On the bright side, setup is a breeze.
With no software required, all you need to do is plug in the USB receiver, and you're good to go.
Plus, the mouse features multicolor LED lighting for added flair, though you won't be able to customize it to your liking.
So, should you buy the Trust GXT 110 Felox? Well, if you're on a tight budget and looking for a reliable gaming mouse with a bit of style, it's certainly worth considering. But if you demand more advanced features and customization options, you might want to explore other options. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews. Until next time, happy gaming!